You don't always wind up with a prime brisket. Sometimes it comes from the discount bin. This is how to turn it into barbecue gold. I'm using Bear Mountain oak pellets in my Yoder YS1500, and I'm going to start by bringing the smoker up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. While the smoker's coming up to temp, trim the brisket, remove excess fat and some of the prominent silver skin, and just make it a little bit more aerodynamic. Now brush on some Kitchen Bouquet. This is a flavor enhancer. It helps act as a binder for the rubs, it seals in the juices, and it helps in the formation of the bark. Now add some Kosmos Cow cover on both sides and all edges. Now I'll follow that up with a layer of my BlindHawg Rub. And you can find the recipe for the BlindHawg Rub in a previous video. If you're watching on YouTube, that link to that recipe will be right up here. Now, like most of my videos, you can find the recipes in the description area below the video at YouTube. Once the smoker's up to temperature, the brisket goes on the top rack and the drip pan underneath makes for easy cleanup. Low and slow is much more forgiving than hot and fast. Maintain that temperature between 200 and 215 degrees until your brisket reaches 165 degrees. Once we hit that magic temp, the brisket goes into a disposable pan covered with foil, back into the smoker on the top shelf until the internal temperature reaches 202 degrees. Now be sure and let your brisket rest from 2 to 4 hours, the longer the better. Slice it up, you get extra style points for a great smoke ring, and with a great flavor profile, you get barbecue gold. You can find these cooking instructions in the description area at Paw Daddy's BlindHawg BBQ at YouTube. Hit that like button on your way out, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time at Paw Daddy's BlindHawg BBQ.